Okay, but I don't have a lot of time because.
I understand. Don't worry, I won't keep you long.
Alright. We can talk down here, so.
Okay. So, you're not sitting?
No, I don't want to get too comfortable because people still going to buy something at the shop.
Very business-like, huh? I like that. You know, very impressive, especially in someone your age. You know, but let me get to the subject at hand. My name is George. You know, people call me One King. By the way, you are?
Tonya.
Okay, Tony, I'm pleased to make your acquaintance. You know, but as I said, you know, back to the business, you know, I have a few projects that I'm working on, and one of them is really a feeding program, you know, and I was wondering that, you know, I could give you guys the business of supplying us with maybe 40 or 50, you know, lunches per day.
For free?
Not by any long shot. See, that's that business-like person in you coming out again. No, it will not be free. However, I would really appreciate if I could get a package price, seeing that I am buying in bulk. You know, that you and your business partner might discuss, and then you both can get back to me. But this is something that I'd really like to get going, you know, as soon as possible.
So, which company would the food be for?
It's not a company, you know. It's just for homeless people, you know, regular street people, the indigent.
Okay, I like the sound of that, but I have to talk to Karim about that first.
Yes, that much I do understand. And hopefully you will discuss it and get back to me as soon as possible. Okay?
So how we get in touch with you?
Oh, not a problem. I think you could reach me here. You can reach me at that number.
Yes, sir. I disturb you.
What you want, Patsy?
What do you want? Carry him there.
No, I'm gone on the road.
Say that about yourself. Carry him there. Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Me, I'm nice like rice. Look at this. You got some more coconut powder, please?
Yes, Patsy.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I like your shoes.
Thank you very much. I mean, like your smile. Because me sure that real.
Stop it, sir. Hey, the money is sweet. Like condensed milk.
Patsy, coconut powder finish.
No, you know, so I'm not going to I don't like a style, girl. What I mean?
Only sell coconut.
Coconuts? You know them time, yeah? No, my love. I work a blend. I work a song and grits, you know? Not me, come something else.
I'm sorry to disturb you ladies, but you know I can't afford and support the business, so let me get a hot dragon now. Oh, one gentlemanly of me. You know, I'll give the lady whatever she desires. Seems she's really thirsty, you know?
You know, sir?
Where you want, Patsy?
I don't like it one, but give me one nice Gatorade, yeah.
But you never did pay for the alligator.
Well, put it on fee bill.